Good morning, all of my students. Welcome to Chemistry Online class. Today, we begin with new chapter, Chapter 18, Pollution of Air and Water. I believe all you know about pollution of air and water, the causes, and how to minimize the pollution, all these things. Through this chapter, you will learn detail about these pollution factors. Today, I want to give a small introduction to air pollution. So, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the life blanket of Earth. It is therefore essential that we know more about the atmosphere and the ways in which it is polluted. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment. There are three major parts of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, and land pollution. Air. We know that we can survive for some time without food, but we cannot survive even for a few minutes without air. This simple fact tells us how air is very important for us. You already know that air consists of a mixture of gases. By volume, about 78% of this mixture is nitrogen and about 21% is oxygen. Carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone and water vapor are also present in very small quantities. Next we can discuss about air pollution. How does air get polluted? The substances which contaminate the air are called air pollutant. Sometimes such substance may come from natural source like smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruption. Pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by certain human activities. The source of air pollutants are factories, power plants, automobile exhaust, and burning of firewood and dung cakes. What is air pollution? Now we can define air pollution. It is defined as any atmospheric condition in which certain substances are present in such concentrations that they produce undesirable effect on human and environment. The substance that present in normal quantity doesn't make any harmful effect, but present in a concentration that they produce undesirable effect, then we can call it as a air pollutant. So air pollution causes mainly by two ways: natural and man-made. Natural air pollution happened by volcano eruption and forest fire. Man-made by factories, vehicle, burning of wood, cow dung, etc. Next, here a table is listed. It shows the gaseous composition of unpolluted air. The gases like nitrogen, oxygen, water, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, nitrous oxide, hydrogen, xenon, organic vapors are listed here. Sources of emission of air pollutant. The main sources of air pollution. The major source is industries. Industries releases 52% of air pollutant. Next is transportation. Day to day the number of vehicles is increased. It's by 27%. Next, Consumer and commercial product, 80% air pollutant releases. 1% emission from commercial and residential heating. 10% from agriculture. 2% from other sources. Do you know vehicles produce high level of pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides and smoke. Carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of fuel such as petrol and diesel. It is poisonous gas. It reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. If the vehicle registered in Delhi are lined up one after the other, the total length would be nearly equal to the combined length of two longest rivers in the world, Nile and Amazon. Many industries are also responsible for causing air pollution. Petroleum refineries are a major source of gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is produced by combustion of fuels like coal power plant. It can cause respiratory problems including permanent lung damage. Air pollution can be classified into two types, indoor air pollution and outdoor air pollution. That means the pollution that happen indoor is called indoor air pollution, that happen outside is called outdoor air pollution. It refers to the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air in the indoor environment, that means within a home, building or institution or commercial facility. Indoor air pollution is concerned in the development countries where energy efficiency improvements sometimes make houses relatively airtight, reducing ventilation and raising pollutant level. Indoor air problem can be subtle and do not always produce easily recognized impact on health. Different conditions are responsible for indoor air pollution in the rural areas and the urban areas. In rural area means the developing countries that face greatest threat from indoor pollution, where some 3.5 billion people continue to rely on traditional fuels such as firewood, charcoal and cow dung for cooking and heating. Concentration of indoor pollutant in households that burn traditional fuels are alarming. Burning such fuels produces large amount of smoke and other air pollutant in the confined space of home, resulting in high exposure. Women and children are the groups most vulnerable as they spend more time indoors, are exposed to the smoke. In 1992, the World Bank designed indoor air pollution in the developing countries as one of the foremost critical global environmental problems. Daily averages of pollutant level emitted indoors often exceed current WHO guidelines and acceptable levels. Although many hundreds of separate chemical agents have been identified in the smoke from biofuel, the foremost serious pollutants are particulates, carbon monoxide, polycyclic organic matter and formaldehyde. Unfortunately, little monitoring has been done in rural and poor urban indoor environment in a manner that is statistically rigorous. Next, about urban areas. In urban areas, exposure to indoor air pollution has increased due to a variety of reasons, including the construction of more tightly sealed buildings, reduced ventilation, the use of synthetic materials for building and furnishing, and the use of chemical product, pesticide, and household care products. Indoor air pollution can begin within the building or be drawn in from outdoors. Other than nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and lead, there are a number of other pollutants that affect the air quality in an enclosed space. Next, about volatile organic compounds. Volatile means easily vaporizing. Volatile organic compound originate mainly from solvent and chemicals. The main indoor source are perfumes. Perfumes are main indoor source of pollutant. And hairsprays, furniture polish, glues, air fresheners, moth repellents, wood preservatives and many other products used in the home. The main health effect is the irritation of the eye, nose and throat. In more severe cases, there may be headaches, nausea and loss of coordination. In the long term, some of the pollutants are suspected to damage to the liver and other parts of the body. Next, tobacco smoke. Tobacco smoke generates a wide range of harmful chemicals and is known to cause cancer. It is well known that passive smoking causes a wide range of problems to the passive smoker. Passive smoker means the person who is in the same room with a smoker and is not himself or herself a smoker, ranging from burning eyes, nose and throat irritation to cancer, bronchitis, severe asthma and a decrease in lung function. Next, pesticide. If used carefully and the manufacturers and instructions followed carefully, they do not cause too much harm to the indoor air. Next, biological pollutant. Biological pollutants include pollen from plants, mite, hair from pets, fungi, parasites and some bacteria. Most of them are allergens and can cause asthma, hay fever and other allergic diseases. Next, about the seventh wonder of the world getting deteriorated because of emission of Madura oil refinery which lies 40 km away from Taj Mahal. The oil refinery emits 25 to 30 tons of sulfur dioxide daily in spite of using low sulfur fuel. The Taj Mahal at Agra is a beautiful historical monument made of pure white marble. The experts have warned that the air pollution around Taj Mahal area is discoloring its white marble and also corroding it slowly. That means air pollution affects not only living things, also affecting non-living things like monuments, building, crops, etc. This figure shows world wonder Taj Mahal is turning brown due to air pollution. This photograph shows the air quality of Delhi has improved remarkably during lockdown period owing to coronavirus. According to WHO report, air pollution in 2012 caused the death of around 7 million people worldwide. Health effect due to air pollution. Some individuals are much more sensitive to pollutants than others. Air pollution can affect our health in many ways with both short-term and long-term effect. Many different chemicals in the air affect the human body in the negative ways. Older people are highly vulnerable to disease included by air pollution. Those with heart or lung disorders are under additional risk. Children and infants are also at serious risk. Air pollutants such as ozone, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide also have harmful effect on natural ecosystem. They can kill plants and trees by destroying their leaves and can kill animals, especially fish in highly polluted rivers. So here I wound up today's session. Today I have made a simple introduction to air pollution. As usual, I have attached notes as well as test paper. Also provided link. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you.